Hello everyone, you are watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is some function in SQL, and this is lecture number 7 given by myself, Shanaz Malik. Let's quickly go and dive into this exercise. So just for all of you, the sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. Okay, so you do this you execute this sum function on numeric column, and the syntax is given right in front of you. Okay, it's simply you select a column, but to that column you put under the sum function, and then it's all the same from table, and you can put even where condition. And this is simple syntax of some function. And before we talk any further, let's open our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and do this exercise. And if you see here, I have this you know query written, simple, very simple query. So what basically I'm doing, if you see, first come first, we have to see we are querying against sales dot salesperson table, and that should be inside this database, and which is here Adventure Works 2012. Okay, and if you go into tables, and then somewhere down the line here, if you see sales, and there it is, sales dot salesperson table. Okay, and if you open this and go and open the columns, and you can see, for example, I am trying to sum this bonuses column. Okay, and I'm also putting a condition, for example, where territory ID is not null. And okay, and you can put any condition. Basically, you can say select the bonus from this, and you can maybe give a department name or whatever, or senior management, junior management. You can depending on how your database is designed, and how your tables are, and how your relations are being you know designed. And we can query many different and we can give many queries, many questions to database, and get our answer. But here, let's keep it simple to the point. I'm selecting bonus, but then I'm summing it, and from table I've shown you, and I have put somewhere clause. Although you don't need to, you can even, if I do without it, still is going to work. I'm just showing you that, just saying that, how to actually do all kind of these queries. Okay, now execute, and here it is. If you see, now what I want to also show you one more thing. It's a deliberate attempt, I have made it. So if you see no column name, okay, it has given us the sum of this, but it has not given us the column name. And that's where I have shown you, you can put alias and say, for example, total bonus. Okay, or whatever makes sense to you, whatever is a sensible name, and you put it under quotes. Okay, and then you if it, now if I execute this query, what will happen? This, whatever is this column and the sum, we will get it as the alias, the name of the heading. The header will be as total bonus. And now you can see that once I execute, just see what happens here. Okay, what happens to no column name. And if I execute, here is total bonus. And then you can write any heading that makes sense to you, that makes sense to reports. I'm just giving an example, and that's it basically. It's nothing too much complicated here. And if it's nothing too much complicated. And let's go back to our slides, and it's a time to say, please subscribe if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get connected, and notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in my next video, and until then, it's time to say thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. And if you share this video, that means you're caring about your society, your colleagues, your mates, and uh, just share it. And once you share, that supports my channel, that supports my account as well, and gives me motivation to make more and more videos for all of you guys. And with that, it's time to say goodbye.